Good morning, all of you. Welcome all. Welcome to this demo lecture, all new students. This is the lecture in our complete course, but we are providing it as a demo lecture for those people who want to join our new crash courses. Yeah, we are launching 2 crash courses, one for CSIR-NET exam, one for GATE exam. So this is the details of the CSIR-NET crash course we are starting. I hope all of you are able to join. Audio video clear now. And my complete course students, today's lecture is also a demo lecture for those people who want to join our crash course. So in the first 5 minutes, I will be explaining about this crash course so that students get a clarity. So please wait for 5 minutes and please help out the new students to know more about the classes. And if they have doubts, asking in the chat, if possible, please reply because you are following my classes for the last 4 months, right? Okay, so let's start. So the crash course for CSIR-NET Part A, we are starting. The idea of the crash course is all topics of CSIR-NET Part A, but covered in a hybrid mode, like in live and recorded lectures together. It is not selected topic. All topics we are covering because selecting topics is a very tricky part. क्योंकि कुछ एग्जाम में आप कुछ चैप्टर सेलेक्ट किया तो वो चैप्टर से टफ क्वेश्चंस आने का चांस है एंड दैट कैन क्रिएट कंफ्यूजन. दैट इज मेरा ओपिनियन ये है. इन द रिमाइनिंग एग्जाम डेट इज नॉट अनाउंस्ड, सो मे बी 2 months you will get for exam. वो 2 month if you can devote for aptitude section also. Aptitude section में there is 30 marks. If you can get about 20 mark itself, that is a wonderful thing. ऐसा है तो आप सब्जेक्ट पार्ट से बर्डन कम कर सकता है. दैट्स अ मेन थिंग. सो try to invest time on general aptitude section also, and to help you out we are bringing up this crash course for CSIR-NET general aptitude. इसमें 40 live lectures और 25 recorded videos. 40 live lectures का भी recording है plus extra 25 recorded videos. Recorded videos will be of these 4 topics: number system, algebra, statistics, and speed, distance, time, speed, work, and time. So number of lectures, these 25 lectures plus doubt clearance recording होगा. बाकी सारा topics live ही attend कर सकता है. Now we are offering it as a limited time early bird offer of just 999 rupees for the first 50 admissions. So इसके साथ you will be getting classes and in 60 days the whole topics will be covered. Exclusive study materials hoga, 60 class notes, 60 worksheets, 100 flashcards also as part of this course. Flashcards are cards where you can learn more concepts with a single card, or the whole topic is covered in a single card. So you वो flashcards भी आप access कर सकते हैं, so that before exam you will have a quick revision. और ये course के साथ free live mock test भी है, 10 mock test. उसके साथ उसका video solution भी provide होगा. These all are actually separate courses itself. Mock test का separate course भी हम publish करेगा. But as part of this crash course, just like you are being part of complete course, you will be getting access of all these materials. And laptop और mobile दोनों में access कर सकता है. And ये price limited time offer है. So make use of this price by joining now. Those of you are watching this lecture in YouTube, check the description of the video. You can find all information. Classes will be in our mobile app, Christy's Classes, and website, christysclasses.in. If you have any query, call us at this number, 8075116641. So that is the details of the complete course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. Complete course means it's like a crash course, लेकिन इसमें complete topics cover हो जाएगा live and recorded course का combination से. Okay, so and GATE का भी एक similar crash course we have launched. इसमें 30 live lectures और 30 recorded videos. 50 days में complete syllabus cover होगा. 60 class notes, 60 worksheets, 100 flashcards. GATE का study material, CSIR का study material दोनों different है. You can access that also. And GATE का भी 10 separate mock test available. Laptop, mobile, इसमें ये भी access कर सकता है. इसका भी अभी limited time offer चल रहा है. 999 for the first 50 admissions for this course. So ये course भी same like CSIR-NET course, ये भी mobile and laptop दोनों में access कर सकता है. As you know, GATE and CSIR में कुछ topics definitely different है. For example, spatial aptitude topic CSIR में नहीं है. Algebra topic CSIR में कम है, GATE में ज्यादा है. And general science, for example, general science topic CSIR में है, लेकिन GATE में नहीं है. So few topics are similar, or many topics are similar, not few. Many topics are similar, but many of them or some of them, especially these verbal aptitude, CSIR में नहीं है, verbal aptitude GATE में है. उसके लिए separate 10 lectures होगा. So you can be part of our GATE crash course also. Verbal aptitude, those of my CSIR-NET students, complete course students also, अब GATE के लिए भी prepare कर रहा, तो अभी GATE का verbal aptitude का lectures हम शुरू कर रहे हैं Monday onwards. So that verbal aptitude you can access by being part of this GATE complete course also. And now limited time offer, you can apply to get maximum discount also. So that is the details of the complete courses. Again, any doubts are there, you can contact us at this number, or download our mobile app. Their demo videos are also there, demo study materials are also there, and visit our website also. Through this you will get clarity. Okay, so that is the introduction. So let us start today's topic. आज का topic है work and time. So once again, welcome all of you. Those of you watching this as a demo video, and my complete course students who are attending my classes for last few months. So for the new students, more about me you can see here. And for CSIR-NET, I have written a book, CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook, which is the current bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A preparation. And other resources of mine, if you want to follow, you can follow this Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, mobile app, websites, etc. If you're watching this in YouTube, check the description of the video. Link of all these free resources are also provided there. And other courses, not only CSIR-NET and GATE, we are providing courses for civil service exam, UPSC, CSAT also, and flashcards for different exams, speed maths, etc. And our courses will be explaining with these unique shortcut approaches by which you can solve questions faster. Okay, so that is the intro. Let's start. Work and time topic. Work and time is a very interesting topic. It is similar to speed distance time topic. In our complete course, we have discussed already speed distance time. In the crash course, speed distance time will be available as a recorded video itself. So speed distance time में speed is equal to distance by time है ना. Speed distance by time है तो distance क्या होगा? Distance is speed into time ना. For example, if a person is moving at 40 km per hour for 2 hours, so 140 km per hour का meaning क्या है? 1 hour में 40 km. So 2 hour में 40 into 2, 80 km. That is the meaning of distance equal to speed into time. Same way, speed distance time में distance equal to speed into time. ये chapter में work done is equal to speed into time itself. लेकिन ये chapter में speed का different name है efficiency. Efficiency into number of days means time itself. So I can write speed into time itself it is, लेकिन speed का different name है efficiency. यहाँ पे speed distance time chapter is about traveling na? That is why distance covered is the work done itself. And here anything can be a work, like eating a pizza can be a work, or it can be completing a construction work is a work, or reading a book is a work. So yeah, you can create an analogy between speed distance time and work and time. So this way you can understand it. For example, if a person is doing 5 work per day, 5 work per day means 5 work per day means that is the efficiency. ऐसा 3 दिन वर्क किया तो टोटल कितना वर्क हो गया? 3 into 5, 15 वर्क कंप्लीट हो गया ना. वो वर्क क्या है? That can be defined properly. Anyway, basically this is the idea. Now this chapter ka question, I will come back to more theory of this. But this chapter ka question practically करने के लिए there are 2 unique methods. One is unitary method, one is LCM method. Other methods भी है, but these are the best 2 methods to solve the questions. And first of all, let me tell you, work and time chapter का extension है pipes and cistern chapter. Pipes and cistern chapter. So that also theory same hai. So first I will explain work and time ka theory. So I want all of you to try this question. ये question एक बार try करिए. ये solution नहीं, ये question एक बार देख के try करिए, all of you. Just read how much you are understanding, that is enough. Then I will explain in detail. All of you try. This topic is a common topic for CSIR-NET exam and GATE exam. Some of you are preparing for these two exams now. So for both exams, this is a common topic. Try it, please. Okay, sorry, it was muted. So all of you tried this question now. Okay, मैं clearly explain करेगा question का meaning and let us make it more interesting. If A takes 10 days to complete a work, what is the work is not mentioned. So let us take an example for the work. Let the work be eating a pizza. If you like a pizza, take a pizza, and eating the pizza is the work we are having. So A को कितना दिन लगेगा? A will take 15 days to eat this whole pizza. A need 10 days to completely eat this pizza. Same pizza, B takes 15 days to complete the work or completely eat the pizza. So how long it will take if both work together? मतलब दोनों एक साथ खाना है तो कितना दिन में पूरा पिज्जा खा सकता है? That way you can understand the question. Na? Anything can be the work. I am taking pizza example to make you understand this concept properly. Okay. So एक पूरा पिज्जा है. So total work to do is one pizza. Eating one pizza. Na? So एक दिन में, this is called unitary method. एक दिन में कितना काम करेगा? If 10 days is needed to eat the whole pizza, what A is doing is cutting the pizza into 10 parts or 10 equal parts. I'm just roughly cutting it. So 10 equal parts and eating 1 out of 10 parts every day. Na? So हर दिन 1/10 pizza खा सकता है A. A can eat 1/10 of the pizza. What about B? B 15 days B need to eat this whole pizza. So one pizza को 15 equal parts बना के उसमें से 1 out of 15 pieces खा सकता है B. That is what B is doing. Is it clear? Now they are together working means in one day total how much work they will do. That means in one day how much pizza they will eat. A will eat 1/10 of the pizza, B will eat 1/15 of the pizza. So दोनों मिला के 1/10 plus 1/15 pizza they will eat together. taking LCM in the denominator. Again, those kinds of things, if you have doubt, in our detailed lecture on number system, we have discussed this, how to find LCM, simplification, etc. Many examples also. So 10 into 3 is 30. So 3 will be in the numerator. 15 into 2 is 30. So 2 into 1 is the numerator. So 3 plus 2, 5 by 30. 5 by 30 means 1 by 6. So practically speaking, हर दिन में पूरा पिज्जा का 1/6 खा सकता है A and B together. Every day, A and B together can eat 1/6 of the whole pizza. Is this clear? हर दिन 1/6. हर दिन 1/6 means कितना दिन लगेगा पूरा पिज्जा खाने के लिए? वन डे वर्क समझ में आया ना? अभी वन डे वर्क कितना दिन ऐसा किया तो पूरा पिज्जा खा सकता है? 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 6 times ना? So 6 days are enough. Logically, you can understand it. Logically, you can understand it. But logically, if you are not understanding it, you can say 1 day work into time period will be total work, because 1 day work is called efficiency, unit work. Just like speed is 1 unit time में कितना distance travel कर रहा है. यहाँ पे 1 unit time में, वो 1 unit time can be days or month or year or minutes as per the question. Here it is days is the unit. So 1 day में कितना काम, so that is called efficiency. Efficiency into time period is total work. The theory I taught you in the beginning. Efficiency into time period is total work done. So efficiency is 1/6 ना, क्योंकि हर दिन में 1/6 पिज्जा खा सकता है. ऐसा कितना दिन चाहिए पूरा पिज्जा खाने के लिए? So let x be the number of days. Time period पता नहीं है ना, so let x be that. 1/6 into x is 1. 1/6 into x is 1 means cross multiplying x is 6. But ये step unnecessary है if you can logically think. एक दिन में पिज्जा का 1/6, दूसरा दिन में another 1/6, तीसरा दिन में another 1/6, फोर्थ दिन में another 1/6, फिफ्थ में another 1/6, सिक्स्थ में another 1/6. Make the whole pizza. Imagine it. Imagine the pizza example, then you will never forget this process. Is it completely clear, all of you? Those of you are watching me live or recorded, please reply. As this is a demo lecture also, those of you are watching in YouTube, please comment whether you understood unitary method with the pizza example. And complete course students, please confirm, is it completely clear? Because we are going to learn one more unique method, LCM method. Unitary method ये chapter में ही नहीं, in school also you learned unitary method. I have just extended that idea to this chapter, that's all. But in my previous classes also I have told you, examples, taking example is always good. Taking better example. हर चैप्टर में better examples choose करना. If you have skill, that will save a lot of time. So that was one of the 15 shortcut approaches we discussed ना. So taking example method से ये question और भी fast कर सकता है. This I will tell to those people who fear math. ये question का taking example method better है. वो taking example method का specific name है LCM method. LCM method. Because instead of taking total work as unit or one, taking total work as one, taking that is called unitary method. But instead of that, take total work as LCM of the individual works, then the solution will look simple. Then the solution will look simple. Priyanka, doubt hai? I will just add you. Priyanka, you are raising hand to ask the doubt now. Please confirm in the chat. Then I will add you to ask your doubt through the audio also. Yes, sure Priyanka, मैं ऐड कर रहा हूँ. हेलो प्रियंका.
यस सर.
हाँ पूछिए प्रियंका.
सर आपने ये 30/10 30/15 कैसे लिखा है, जबकि हम 10/30 होना चाहिए.
10/30 ओके. ये 1/10 आप ये स्टेप पूछ रहे हैं. 1/10 1/15 क्यों लिखा है? दैट इज व्हाट यू आर आस्किंग.
हाँ ये समझ आया, LCM मेथड में लिखा है इक्वल टू 30/10, B इक्वल टू 30/15
30/10 क्यों?
लिखा हुआ है ये कैसे?
Okay, I think no. This one I haven't started explaining, Priyanka. ये अभी तक explain नहीं किया है. Okay, इसमें doubt है ना? Okay, don't worry, Priyanka. ये अभी explain करना शुरू किया है मैंने. LCM method अभी तक शुरू मतलब explain नहीं किया है ना?
Okay, thank you,
ये
sir.
actually ये दो separate methods है, Priyanka. Unitary method and LCM method. Unitary method हम
Okay,
अभी properly complete किया. अभी LCM method शुरू कर रहा है. So LCM method में ये 30/10, 30/15 होगा. वो क्यों है? I will explain. Unitary
yes,
method
sir. Thank
completely
you.
clear है ना, Priyanka?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, very good. So don't worry, I'll explain
Thank
the
you, sir.
LCM method now. Okay, welcome. Yeah, all of you are welcome to ask doubts through the audio also. When you are attending class through my platform, you have this raise hand feature also, where you can ask your doubt through audio or through the chat as per your convenience. Okay, so मैंने LCM method अभी तक discuss नहीं किया, so LCM method अभी शुरू कर रहा है. So LCM method में ये 30/10 करना है. So what is that? I will explain. LCM method सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए मैं एक दूसरा एग्जाम्पल ले रहा है. पिज्जा का एग्जाम्पल नहीं, चॉकलेट का एग्जाम्पल. पिज्जा का एग्जाम्पल क्यों नहीं ले रहा है? I'll tell you. Because LCM method में total work is LCM of the individual time that is given. 10 and 15 is the individual time ना. So 10 and 15 का LCM क्या है? 10, 10, 10, 3 times 10, 30 है. 15 into 2, 30 है. So 30 is a common multiple. And 30 is the least common multiple. How to calculate LCM and all, we already discussed in the number system chapter. Crash course students, that is part of your schedule already. Okay, anyway, total work is 30. 30 pizzas is so unhealthy to eat, na? Or imagining eating 30 pizza may be little tricky. That is why I will let 30 be number of chocolates, and eating them is the work to be done. Eating them is the work to be done. Again, it is just for you not to forget this concept. That is why I'm telling it in with examples. So यूनिटरी मेथड में पिज्जा लिया, एलसीएम मेथड में चॉकलेट ले लो. 30 चॉकलेट्स है, सो 30 चॉकलेट्स पूरा खाना है. दैट इज द वर्क टू बी डन. ईटिंग ऑल द 30 चॉकलेट्स इज द वर्क टू बी डन. तो एक को कितना टाइम लगा उसके लिए? तो 10 डेज लगा ना. हर दिन कितना चॉकलेट्स खाया होगा? देन 10 डेज में 30 चॉकलेट्स मींस 1 डे में कितना चॉकलेट्स? 30/10 मैथमेटिकली. और जस्ट लॉजिकली सोचो, कितना 10 चाहिए 30 बनाने के लिए? 3 10 ना. Then this mathematical step can be avoided. I always tell, don't use math unnecessarily. This, in my opinion, is an unnecessary step. But if you are getting confused, definitely you can use it. If it is necessary for you, use it. But as much as possible, unlearn paper math and relearn logical math. So anyway, 1/10 of 30 or 3 will be per day work. यूनिटरी मेथड में भी 1 डे वर्क कैलकुलेट करेगा, एलसीएम मेथड में भी 1 डे वर्क कैलकुलेट करेगा. दोनों मेथड सेम है. ओनली थिंग दैट इज डिफरिंग इज टोटल वर्क. यूनिटरी मेथड में 1 अस्यूम किया, ईटिंग 1 पिज्जा. हियर टोटल वर्क इज एलसीएम ऑफ 10 and 15. So 30 is the total work, or eating 30 chocolates is the total work. So 1 day A will eat 3 chocolates. What about B? B 15 days लगेगा पूरा चॉकलेट्स 30 चॉकलेट्स खाने के लिए. So 1 day में कितना चॉकलेट्स? 2 चॉकलेट्स ना. और 30/15, 30/15, so 2 chocolates per day. So 1 day work मिला ना. अभी तक क्लियर है ना all of you? 1 day 3 chocolate, 1 day 2 chocolate. Priyanka, this is that 30/10 and 30/15. I think now it is clear, and all of you clear na? 1 day work of A, 1 day work of B. Now 1 day work of A, 1 day work of B is given. Question में लिखा है दोनों एक साथ काम किया. Both of them are working together. Together means A will eat 3 chocolate per day, B will eat 2 chocolate per day. So A plus B will eat, A and B together will eat 5 chocolates. In unitary method also we added that, but it was a fraction. This fraction simplification, for some people it is difficult. That is why I told you LCM method may look simpler for you. That's why I'm giving you both the options. I prefer unitary method personally, because for me that fraction thing is okay. The unitary method, the main advantage of unitary method is almost all question unitary method will be possible. But some question में LCM method confusing होगा. Possible है but confusing होगा. Unitary method सारा question के लिए applicable होगा. But LCM method का advantage क्या है? Those who fear math or those of you have problem with simplifying fractions and all, for them definitely LCM method will look simpler. Yes, Pratiksha. That because unitary method is the base actually. Unitary method का extension ही है LCM method, where we are starting at a convenient value to avoid fractions. Because LCM already ले रहा है initially. Here LCM लेना है 10 and 15 का. This 30 we are taking it initially itself. That's the only difference. बाकी सब same है. Getting the point ना? Okay. Anyway. So A and B together 5 chocolates they will eat in a day ना. In a day 5 chocolates. पूरा कितना chocolates खाना है? एक नहीं 30 chocolates खाना है ना. So हर दिन 5 chocolates. One day 5, another 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 day 5. 6 days लगेगा ना. Or mathematically speaking 5 into 6 is 30. So 6 is the answer. All of you understood this? That is called LCM method. Yeah, almost this chapter's theory got over if you understood these two methods. Now there are few other type of work and time problem. I will come back to that. But did you understand these two methods properly? I'll show you more and more questions, more and more PYQs also. All of you, those of you watching demo video also, please comment. Is it clear completely? Then let's see how in previous year questions also. I will show you CSIR-NET and GATE questions also, because this chapter CSIR-NET में भी आया है good number of questions, GATE में भी आया है good number of questions. Okay, before that I'll show you a practice question. ये question try करिए. यहाँ पे options थोड़ा fraction में है, so how we can simplify it, let's see. All of you try. You can do with any method, but as we are learning concepts, after trying with one method, try the other method also, so that you can be flexible with both the methods. Make a try, all of you. 2 minutes to try. I'll come in a minute. All of you try this. Priyanka, I don't know whether that issue is there for everyone. Others, please confirm. Is there any technical issue, audio, video, any issue? It can be like in your network, if there is an issue also, that can happen. But if everyone is facing the common issue, there may be some error here. So please confirm, is there any technical issue today? Audio mein ya video mein kuch issue hai? I think no. Okay. So all of you complete. And please try with the other method also. Many of you got started getting answer. Very good. Very good. Priyanka, please refresh and check. I think others are not facing any audio video issue. Maybe कुछ network का issue भी हो सकता है. Refresh करिए. I'll come in a minute. Okay, so I'll explain same process itself. I will explain unitary and LCM method for this question also. After that, we will discuss one method only, because we have to cover more PYQs. A can do a work in 6 days and B can do in 9 days. How many days will both take to complete the work? So unitary method है तो कैसा करेगा? Let the total work be eating this pizza. A can do it in 6 days means A will cut the pizza into 6 parts. I am just showing it for imagining it properly. And he will eat 1 out of 6 parts every day, 1/6 part every day. बी क्या करेगा? बी ये सेम पिज्जा को 9 इक्वल पार्ट्स कट करेगा, 9 इक्वल पार्ट्स कट करके 1/9 पार्ट he will eat every day. So 1/6 part B will eat, A will eat, 1/9 part B will eat, because we assume total work is 1 for eating 1 pizza. The total A and B together, because they both together want to work now. So A and B together means 1/6 plus 1/9. That means take LCM of 6 and 9, 18 है ना LCM. So 6 into 3 is 18. So 3 numerator में आएगा, 9 into 2 is 18. So 2 numerator में आएगा. So 5/18. That means हर दिन 18 parts का 5 parts खा सकता है A and B together. Yeah, here fraction is there ना. Here logically thinking to get total one work is little tricky. That is where you can use the idea of speed या efficiency. 5/18 means 5/18 of the total work can be done per day. मतलब efficiency is 5/18. Efficiency into time. Time कितना है हमें पता नहीं है. Efficiency into time is total work. So total work 1 assume किया है ना. So 5/18 into x is 1. So x is 18/5. 18/5, if you divide it, you will get 3.6. Option C is the answer. Is it clear? So this mathematical step and this mathematical stuff, if you feel it is difficult, take LCM method. Let total work be LCM of 6 and 9. LCM of 6 and 9. 6 and 9 का LCM क्या है? 18 है ना. Think that 18 chocolates A and B want to eat together. A का स्पीड क्या है? 6 days में 18 chocolates खा सकता है. मतलब हर दिन में 1 day work, हर दिन में A खाएगा 3 chocolate. Every day A will eat 3 chocolate and B will eat 9 days 18 chocolates. 18 chocolates are there, no? So 9 days 18 chocolates. So 1 day 2 chocolates each now, because 9 into 2 is 18, or mathematically speaking 1/9 into 18, that is 2. Now A and B together is doing this work. A plus B, 3 plus 2, 5 work per day. Yeah, now it is logical. 1 day 5 work, 5 chocolates. Second day 5 chocolate, 10 chocolate हो गया. Third day 5 chocolate, 15 chocolate हो गया. Fourth day 5 chocolates means 20 chocolates होना चाहिए. There is no 20 chocolates means third day not reaching fourth day, between 3 and 4. Option में between 3 and 4 एक ही option है. That way you can answer the question faster using options also. Taking example and elimination by analyzing option. I have told many times elimination का ही many varieties है. यहाँ पे elimination by analyzing option better है. You don't have to substitute each option. You just have to analyze option. Only option between 3 and 4 is 3.6. So 3.6 is the answer. Or if finally, if you want to take the help of math, you can say 5 chocolates per day. Let x be the number of chocolates. So 5 into x should be equal to 18. So x is equal to 18/5. ऐसा किया तो भी 3.6. As a matter of fact, 18/5, how to divide it faster? 18/5 से भी easy है. 18 into 2/10, क्योंकि 5 into 2 10 है. So 2 से न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई करना गलत नहीं है. तो 36/10 3.6 फास्ट होगा. स्पीड मैथ ट्रिक. There will be a separate speed matrix lecture in our course. That time I will explain more speed matrix. Anyway, is it completely clear? Both the methods, all of you please confirm. ये दोनों methods clear है ना? So, but both the questions were basic questions. The twisted versions of this question can also be asked. But these two theory concept clear है तो अभी question understand करना, that is a major challenge. For that, we have to see more questions. So I'll show you more questions. So previous year questions, more practice question, I will upload in the course page that you can try, and we will discuss it in our upcoming doubt clearing sessions also. This was a gate exam question. First, see this gate exam question. Uske baad we will discuss a CSIR-NET question also of the same type. So try this. In the previous question, everything was in days. Here, instead of that, it is hours. That does not make any difference. Units, just like in speed, distance, time chapter, some question में kilometer में होगा distance, some में meter में होगा distance. Same thing. Or time also, sometimes it can be in hours, sometimes it can be minutes, sometimes it can be seconds. In speed, distance, time chapter also, na? Same here. So try this, all of you. Very good. Some of you got the answer already. Wonderful. Okay, and start explaining. It would take one machine 4 hours to complete production order. हाँ, यहाँ पे work क्या है define किया है. Yeah, but if you want, you can replace that 4 hours to complete eat a pizza. ऐसा सोचा तो भी there is no problem in that. Complete a production order के जगह eating a pizza is the work to be done. 4 hours में पूरा pizza खा सकता है. दूसरा machine या दूसरा person 2 hour में पिज्जा खा सकता है. एंड दोनों एक साथ काम कर रहा है, सो कितना आवर्स लगेगा? सेम एज प्रीवियस टू क्वेश्चंस वी डिस्कस ना. एंड ट्राइंग टू create the same analogy so that you can relate to that pizza example better. So unitary method apply करना है तो how to do it? total work को 1 assume करिए, मतलब 1 whole pizza खाना है. So 4 hours में पूरा पिज्जा खा सकता है. फर्स्ट मशीन को मैं A कॉल कर रहा है एंड सेकंड मशीन B. So 1 hour work, 1 day work नहीं, 1 hour work क्या होगा? 4 hour में पूरा काम कर सकता है. So 1 hour में 1/4 of the work will be done na. Like the pizza is cut into 4 equal parts, every hour taking 1 out of 4 parts and eating. So then it is simple to understand. I'm telling it this detailed because this concept, when it comes to complicated question, also try to relate it this way, then it will become easy, then the question will be understandable. ये question तो trivial question है, but we are going to see now a proper typical tougher question from this chapter, but the theory is all same. But there, understanding the meaning of the question, you should properly do. B 2 hours में पूरा पिज्जा खा सकता है मींस एक पिज्जा को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स कट करके 1 पार्ट फर्स्ट आवर में, सेकंड पार्ट सेकंड आवर में, मतलब हर आवर में हाफ पीस खा सकता है. एवरी आवर हाफ पीस. So if they together do in 1 hour, how much work? 1/4 plus 1/2. 1/4 means 1/4 of a pizza plus half of a pizza के साथ quarter of a pizza ऐड किया तो 3/4 मिलेगा ना. वो भी लॉजिकली करिए. द प्रॉब्लम इज ये स्टेप के लिए भी सम पीपल नीड मैथ, टेकिंग एलसीएम 4, देन 1 + 2 3/4. क्यों? लॉजिकली सोचो, एक मैंगो का आधा है, एक मैंगो का क्वार्टर है. आधा क्वार्टर किया तो 3/4 हो गया है ना, या 3/4 हो गया है ना. इज इट क्लियर? सो 3/4 ऑफ अ पिज्जा पर डे. 3/4 ऑप्शन में भी है टू ट्रिक यू, दैट इज रॉन्ग. 3/4 क्या है? The amount of pizza they will eat in an hour is the amount of pizza eaten. That is called work done. Question is not asking how much work is done in an hour. If that was asked, 3/4 work is done, that was the answer. How much time is needed to complete the order? यहाँ पे 3/4 वर्क ही कंप्लीट किया 1 आवर में. सो आंसर 1 आवर से थोड़ा सी ज्यादा होगा. ऑप्शन में ये 1 आवर से कम है, ये भी 1 आवर से कम है, ये 2 आवर से ज्यादा है. 2 आवर से ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए. That itself give you the answer, but that point if you didn't understand also, we can do it completely. 3/4 per hour, that means that is a efficiency. Into कितना टाइम है हमें पता नहीं है. Let x be the time. Required answer को x assume करिए, x hours चाहिए. 3/4 into x total work 1 complete करना है ना, because total work we assumed as 1, eating a pizza. एवरी आवर 3/4 ऑफ ए पिज्जा खा सकता है, तो ऐसा कितना आवर्स चाहिए पूरा पिज्जा खाने के लिए? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. 3/4 of x is equal to 1, so x is equal to 4/3 when you cross multiply. Yeah, here as it was a fraction, Logically thinking was little tricky, but still you can do 3/4 in an hour. अभी 3/4 का 1/3 है 1/4. हाँ 3/4 और 1/4 मतलब 1 hour के साथ 1/3 hour काफी है. That idea is little tricky, so skip it if you are not getting. Some of the things I'm telling optional, bonus content, bonus thing. If you are catching that idea, keep it. Otherwise, this step is totally okay. You can go beyond every math if you start thinking logically. Every math step, almost all math step can be done in your mind using logical alternative. But some of them convincing you is very difficult. That is why I am taking the help of math to write the step. Pratiksha, what is 3/4? That is my question. What is 3/4? What is the unit of it? From that also you can understand. 3/4 what? 3/4 what? Is it 3/4 hour? No. Because 1 hour में 3/4 hour, how does that make sense? 1 hour में कितना काम कर सकता है? How much work can be done in an hour? That is 3/4. That means our example of pizza, in an hour, 3/4 of the pizza can be eaten by A and B machine or A and B people together. But question is finally asking what? Time taken to complete the full pizza. Same order means complete the full work. 1 hour में just 3/4 काम किया. That is 1 hour में how much work is done. That value is 3/4, Pratiksha. That value is 3/4. Or in other words, for eating 3/4 of the pizza itself, 1 hour is needed. That means you need more than 1 hour to completely eat the pizza. Na? 3/4 is not more than 1 hour. But by that logic also 3/4 is totally wrong. 1 hour minimum चाहिए क्योंकि 1 hour में 3/4 पिज्जा ही खाया. कितना आवर चाहिए पूरा पिज्जा खाने के लिए? 1 hour से ज्यादा. 4/3 is 1 hour से ज्यादा. Otherwise 3/4 per hour. 3/4 into x is equal to total 1 pizza. Total 1 pizza. Again, this is same as previous question, but previous question में fraction नहीं आया. That is why it was more relatable. वो first example मैंने show किया ना, यहाँ भी सेम था. 10 day 15 day में 1/10 1/15 ऐड करके 1/6 मिला. 3/4 पिज्जा में 3/4 है ना, 1/4 नहीं था. That is why it was tricky. 1/4 था तो our brain can easily think 1/4 1/4 1/4 1/4 will make the whole pizza. Similarly 1/6 है तो भी चलेगा because 1/6 है तो 1/6 1/6 1/6 1/6 1/6 1/6 6 times चाहिए. Same way कितना 3/4 चाहिए 1 बनाने के लिए? That is tricky because 3/4 एक बार रखा तो 3/4, एक और बार रखा तो 1.5 हो गया. 1.5 नहीं चाहिए. That is where you needed this step. That's why I told you write this step. That is totally okay. So 3/4 into x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 4/3. Same thing which I have told here. यूनिटरी मेथड से. एलसीएम मेथड से करना है तो सेम क्वेश्चन एलसीएम मेथड से कर सकता है. एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 4, sorry, एलसीएम ऑफ 2 and 4, 2 hours and 4 hours, so 4 hours या 4 टोटल 4 चॉकलेट्स है. so 1 hour में 1/2 of 4 एक आएगा 4 sorry, what was the data? I forgot the data. How many hours? One second. In this question 4 hours and 2 hours. So total work be, instead of 1, total work be LCM of 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2. Total work is equal to LCM of 4 and 2. That is 4. That means eating 4 chocolates. So 1 hour, how much work each of them? A will do. First machine A है तो 4 hour में 4 chocolate. So 1 hour में 1 chocolate ना. B 2 hour में 4 chocolates. So 1 hour में 2 chocolate ना. 2 plus 2 4. So A and B together, how much work? 1 plus 2 3 chocolate per hour. 1 hour 3 chocolate. That is called efficiency. 3 chocolates per hour. Compare it with the speed distance time chapter. 3 chocolate per hour. Those of you watching it as demo lecture, speed distance time chapter is part of our full course. There I have told similar thing. Instead of it was chocolates per hour, it is distance traveled per hour. ऐसा सोचो. So 3 chocolates per hour, that is the speed in which you are eating. Yeah, I'm using the word speed itself so that that speed and this speed you can relate. The speed in which you are eating is A and B together is eating is 3 chocolate per hour. But we need to complete 4 chocolates. Na? So 1 hour says yada chahiye. Na? So 3 chocolate per hour. So how many hours are needed? We don't know. So let X be the hours. So 3 into X, speed into time is not distance. It is work done. It is work done. So 3 into X is equal to kitna work karna hai? 4 work. 4 chocolates to be eaten. 3 into X is 4. So X is equal to 4 by 3. X is equal to 4 by 3. Is this also clear? LCM method also? Yes, Priyanka. Both methods, option C only should be the answer. So now I think I have shown you 3 examples to clearly understand what is unitary method, what is LCM method. GATE 2019 mein another question paper mein bhi same question aaya tha, similar question. Now I will go to a CSIR-NET question which is little more tougher. There the scenarios are little more tougher. So that we will discuss now. This is one of the latest question 2023 में पूछा था ये question. Carefully try करिए ये question. Premise all same है, but the values are tricky. And there is an extra, they are not working daily. Every day they are not working. That is the tricky part here. So carefully do it. I'll give you 2 minutes. Carefully try it. Pizza example, chocolate example, whichever one you want, you can take. That means unitary method or LCM method, you can do with whatever way you want. But answer be fraction mein hai. So carefully do it. The theory, I have invested this much time to teach the theory because for tougher question, understanding the theory properly is very important. All of you try. Any answers? Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. First, I will explain the meaning of the question with the pizza example or our chocolate example. To complete a task, so think that the task to be completed, I will use LCM method first. उसके बाद unitary method भी explain करेगा. Detailed explanation unitary method का, sorry, LCM method का भी यहाँ दिया है. So I will explain it. So first take LCM of 15 and 21 as the total work. 15 and 21 का LCM कैसा find करना है? Check out my previous lectures. I hope all of you know LCM now, how to calculate it fast and all. Factorization method. Otherwise, a shortcut method also we discussed. Taking the bigger number and thinking about its multiple and when that will be multiple with this. That way you can logically also find. Anyway, 105 hoga LCM. Matlab 105 chocolates khana hai. That is the task to be done. Eating 105 chocolates. या इमेजिन करिए, वो इमेजिनेशन आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगा. Practically 105 chocolates is right in front of you, in front of on your table. ऐसा सोचो, eating 105 chocolates. Eating 105 chocolates is the work. So A and B, you and your friend are A and B. So you can eat it in 15 days. 15 days mein 105 chocolates. So 15 into how many days? Sorry, 15 days. So 15 into what is 105? Per day कितना chocolates खा सकता है? Time into speed, or speed into time is total work done. 15 into 7 is 105 ना. So हर दिन 7 chocolates खा सकता है. Is it clear? हर दिन 7 chocolate, और वो 7 का multiplication, वो idea clear नहीं है तो mathematically सोचो. 15 days में पूरा, so एक दिन में 1/15 खा सकता है ना पूरा chocolates का. 1/15 into 105 किया तो भी 7 मिलेगा. ये स्टेप करना है only if you cannot logically think like this. 15 into what is 105, कितना 15 ऐड किया तो 105 मिलेगा. Anyway, that is totally up to you whether you want to do this way or do this way. That all does not make much of a difference, but definitely 5 seconds, 10 seconds you are wasting when you're writing each mathematical step. But that is optional, because more than that, solving the question is the first requirement, then increasing your speed is the second priority. Accuracy first, then speed. That is my policy. First concept properly understand करिए, first complicated question कैसा simplify करना है वो समझ में आइए. उसके बाद आप प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा करके स्पीड बेटर कर सकता है, स्टेप्स को कम कर सकता है. दैट ऑल कैन बी डन. ओके, एनीवे, हर दिन A will eat 7 chocolates and B will eat 1/21 into 105 5 chocolate. Or you can think 21 days में 105 chocolate. So 21 कितना 21 चाहिए 105 बनाने के लिए? 21 into 5, मतलब हर दिन में 5 chocolate. This is called the speed of A and speed of B. Or in this chapter efficiency, it is called 7 chocolates per day, 5 chocolates per day. अभी clear है ना? Logic clear है ना? अभी question read करिए. Till here, it is similar to all the previous question we did. But from here, they are saying that they are doing it together, but not every day. If they work alone on alternate days by turn, B starting on the first day. First day B work करेगा. Second day B work नहीं करेगा, A work करेगा. Then B, then A, then B, then A. Are you getting the point? That is how they work. Now the best thing is take it as a pair. They are working first and second day, third and fourth day. So एक दिन में दोनों काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन 2 दिन टुगेदर किया तो दोनों एक बार काम कर रहा है ना. So 2 दिन टुगेदर कितना काम करेगा? फर्स्ट डे में A कितना काम करेगा? A will do, sorry, B कितना काम करेगा? 21 days 105. So हर दिन 5 work, 5 work per day ना, 5 work per day. So first day 5 work, second day A is doing work, so 7 work. So these 2 days together 12 work, or 12 chocolates per 2 days. Per day नहीं, पिछले क्वेश्चन में per day किया था, but per 2 day. हर 2 दिन में 12 chocolates, हर 2 दिन में 12 chocolate, 4 दिन में 24 chocolates, 6 दिन में 36 chocolate, 2 day 12 chocolates, 4 day 12 plus 12 24 chocolates, 6 day 36 chocolate. Are you getting the point? Now by that logic, when you will complete 105, now you cannot depend upon math to say 12 into 2x is equal to 105. ऐसा करना गलत है, क्योंकि हर दिन का रेट सेम नहीं है. That is why logically सोचो कितना 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. 96 plus 12 is 108. That is more than 105. So don't go till there. When you reach 96 ना, ये 96 तक समझ में आया? All of you please respond. I will turn off my camera because the screen is hidden by that till this question is over. So ये 96 तक clear है all of you? The cumulative value being till 96. उसके लिए 8 pairs चाहिए. 8 into 12, mathematically speaking 8 into 12 is 96. So 8 pairs चाहिए. Pairs means 2 days का pair. 2 days का pair मतलब 16th day complete हो गया. 16th day में 96 chocolates complete हो गया. 16th day में 96 chocolate complete हो गया. अभी 17th and 18th carefully analyze करना है. 17th day में कितना chocolates complete हो जाएगा? 17th day odd day है ना, odd day B का वर्क है, B वर्क करेगा odd दिन में. 17 is an odd number, so B will do the work. So 96 plus 5 101 हो गया. Now be smart here, smartly you have to do it. 101 chocolates are completed on the 17th day. How many chocolates we need to complete? 105. Means 18th day complete किया तो 18th day में कौन वर्क करेगा? A वर्क करेगा. 101 plus 7 108 होगा. हमें 108 नहीं 105 चाहिए, मतलब ये दोनों के बीच में होना चाहिए. 101 and 108 के बीच में, मतलब 17th दिन स्टार्ट किया लेकिन कंप्लीट नहीं किया. 18th आई मीन 17th दिन कंप्लीट करके 18th स्टार्ट किया लेकिन कंप्लीट नहीं किया 18th दिन. मतलब आंसर 17 पॉइंट समथिंग होना चाहिए. ये 17 पॉइंट समथिंग नहीं है, ये 17 पॉइंट समथिंग नहीं है, ये 17 पॉइंट समथिंग नहीं है, ये है 17 पॉइंट समथिंग. So that is the answer. Beautiful question, na? Concept is same, but the way they have asked the question is different. 2023 PYQ of CSIR-NET, same questions were, same type were asked in GATE also. I'm just showing you question from this exam, but those of you are preparing for GATE also, this is important. CSIR से भी ज्यादा questions GATE में आया है work and time में. Is it clear, all of you? Please respond. Now some of you may be thinking, what if 17, 17, 17, 17, चारों ऑप्शन में 17 का कुछ पार्ट है, तो ऐसा है तो भी चलेगा. You can do it. Then you have to think about the 18th day alone. 18th day alone, but that will be little time consuming. That's why they didn't ask like that. Please remember this. Whether it is CSIR exam or GATE exam, they will give you options such that you can smartly use options. Those who don't use smartly options, for them the calculation will be extra needed. You need to make the table for, not table, you just have to think in your mind. This is just for teaching. I have created this table, Pratiksha. You have to think 2 day 12. So how many 2 days are needed? 2 into 12 12 12 12. Trial and error karna hai, Pratiksha. You don't have to make table. 12 into 5 60. We need to reach 105 range now. 12 into 6 72, or 12 into 8 108. उतना नहीं चाहिए. So 12 into 7. That way, 12 into 9 9 108. So 12 into 8 काफी है. So 96. So 96 और 108 के बीच में है. So 16 and 18 के बीच में होना चाहिए आंसर. ऑप्शन में देखिए 16 and 18 के बीच में दो ऑप्शन है. If 16 and 18 के बीच में एक ही ऑप्शन था तो you could have finished the question right away also. That is another thing. But here 16 point something भी है, 17 point something भी है. Now, in case they are very cruel that they are giving 4 option with 17, what to do? This is just a extension or just an extra point I'm telling. After 17th day, 18th day में पूरा काम नहीं करना है. 7 chocolates per full day. Full day 7 chocolates. But we need how many chocolates? That means we need 101 to 108 7 chocolates, but we need only 4 out of that. Out of 7, 4 only. That means out of the full time, 4/7 of the time only is needed. That is how to reach this 4/7 also mathematically. That is little tricky. That's why don't worry about it. That option substitution or option analysis is what you are supposed to do. I always have told options are part of the question. Please don't consider them separately. When a question paper setter create a question, if the question is lengthy, they will make the option such a way that you can do something with the option so that the question can be done in the stipulated time. Stipulated time means if the question takes 4 or 5 minutes, that question is not actually a question for this particular exam. Na? That is why they will do something with the options. Here the question was lengthy. Lengthy mainly because it was not asking every day they are working together. That point itself will make the question lengthy. and the numbers are also not small numbers. 15 and 21 are big numbers. So it is clearly purposefully set options like this so that you can use it. So when the question paper setter is giving you a clue, please accept it. Don't reject it. This is what I want to tell you. Okay, speaking of clues, ये question देखिए. इसमें भी एफिशिएंसी का ही क्वेश्चन है, बट ये क्वेश्चन करना पिछले क्वेश्चन तक जैसा उतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा इफ यू प्रॉपर्ली अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. सो ट्राई इट ऑल ऑफ यू. ट्राई इट ऑल ऑफ यू. नील, पिछले क्वेश्चन में यूनिटरी मेथड अगेन इट कैन बी डन, but as the question structure is little difficult, if seeing more mathematical thing confuses you, that is why I didn't explain it. But if you want, as you asked, I will just mention. Okay, those if you want the unitary method for previous question very fast, I will explain. But if it is confusing, skip it please. I will use the same table itself. Unitary method में 1 day work 1/15 of 105 नहीं, 1/15 of 1 है, because total work is not 105, total work is 1. So 1/15, 1/21 is the 1 day work of A and B. So first day में 1/15 work करेगा, sorry, B work करेगा first day में. So 1/21 work B will do. Second day में A will work, that is 1/15. So 2 days together they will do how much work? 1/21 plus 1/15. So there when you simplify it, 105, 36. 1 second, 105 nahi. Yeah, 105 also is fine, or you can cross multiply and easily simplify also. This is 7 times, this is 5 times, that is 12 by 105. मतलब 105 पिज्जा को 105 इक्वल पार्ट्स कट करके उसमें से 12 पार्ट्स लिया. अभी कितना 12 times 105. This is the problem in unitary method here. Here you should understand 2 day का वर्क कितना 2 day लगेगा. 105 कंप्लीट नहीं करना है, because 105 12 का एक मल्टीपल नहीं है. That's a problem. That is why here you have to trial and error with this fraction. 12 by 105 in first 2 days में, second 2 days में another 12 by 105. ऐसा कितना 12 by 105 चाहिए to complete 105? That is what you have to think. 12 plus 12 24 by 105 हो गया ना, 36 by 105. ऐसा सोच के finally you will reach 96 by 105. 96 by 105 in the 16th day. या second day, 4th day, 6th day, 8th day up to 16th day है तो 96 by 105 हो गया. अभी 2 और दिन है तो 108 by 105 होगा, but that is more than one work ना. So 16 से ज्यादा भी है, 18 से कम भी है. What about the 17th day? 17th day who is working? B is working. B का efficiency 1/21 है ना. So 1/21 add करना है. Look at it. This fraction can confuse you. That's a problem. और 1/21 और 5 by 105. So add किया तो 96 के साथ ऐड करना है, 108 के साथ नहीं. 96 का साथ ऐड किया तो 101 by 105 हो गया. मतलब 17th डे भी कंप्लीट किया. तो 17th डे से ज्यादा है, 18th डे से कम है. एक ही ऑप्शन है, दिस वन. आई नो that fraction simplification and all will be a headache for many, so skip it. Neil, did you understand what I told? How to do with unitary method also? Unitary method हर question unitary method से कर सकता है, but mathematical steps confuse कर रहा तो LCM method. That's why for a backup I am teaching you LCM method. Complicated number fraction related ones में LCM थोड़ा easy लगेगा, because fraction कम बार लिखना है LCM method में. प्रोसेस तो सेम है. LCM method में 12 12 12 12 ऐड किया, यूनिटरी मेथड में 12 by 105 12 by 105 12 by 105 ऐड किया. क्लियर? यस. Okay, I need to discuss 2-3 more type of questions, so I'm going a little in hurry. So try this super fast. Those of you are watching this lecture as demo video, once again reminding you for crash courses for CSIR-NET exam, crash course for GATE exam, both we have launched, and now you can access it at the early bird price. Those of you are watching it in this video in YouTube, check the description of the video. In the description, all the links and course joining link is also available, or download our mobile app, Christy's classes, or visit our website. There are more free demo videos are also uploaded. If you want more topics to be learned also through the demo videos, you can watch. And if you like it, you can join our complete crash course also. And free demo videos, study materials are also there. So that also you can access. And few flashcards are also given for your reference. Okay, so try this, all of you. Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. A and B complete a work in 30 days. पिछले क्वेश्चंस में सब कैसा है? A का separate work, B का separate work. If third person is there, that third person का भी separate work. But here combined work दिया है. Combined work दिया है and combined work से individual work check करना है. पिछले सारा क्वेश्चन में क्या था? Individual works दिया था, combined work करना है. But here it's the other way around. But here the options make it so simple a question. You don't have to calculate it. Calculating it is very time consuming. That is the problem. A and B complete a work in 30 days means one day work of A 1 by A assume करना, 1 by B का assume करना. ऐसा equation form करके linear equation, complicated linear equation को ऐसा first equation, then second equation, third equation इसको simplify करके भी individually A का work, B का work, C का work find कर सकता है. Individual work से efficiency decide कर सकता है ना. But ऐसा efficiency decide करना, that is unnecessary here. Without that also you can do it. Listen very carefully how to do that. A and B together 30 days में पूरा काम करेगा ना. B and C together 24 days में पूरा काम करेगा. C and A together 28 days में पूरा काम करेगा. Yeah, think that the work is eating the pizza as we imagined before. A and B के लिए 30 दिन लगेगा पूरा पिज्जा खाने के लिए. B and C के लिए या C and B के लिए to align this B. C and B के लिए 24 days ही लगेगा. इसके बीच में C and A भी है. C and A के लिए 28 days लगेगा, इसको 24 days. मतलब कौन सा ग्रुप है फास्टेस्ट ग्रुप? This is the fastest group ना. This is the second fastest group. दोनों में common factor कौन है? Who is the person responsible for the speed? ऐसा सोचो. दोनों में common factor C है ना. The slowest group is this. वो slowest group में C present भी नहीं है. That is a clue ना. Like a detective, you have to understand. Where all C is there the speed is high. Where all C is not there the speed is less. Speed zyada means zyada efficiency, because I told you efficiency and speed is the same itself. So who is the most efficient is the question. Most efficient should be C. Any option saying C is not the most efficient can be eliminated. So option B says C is not the most efficient. ये clear है ना? Same way में who is the least efficient? Which is the slowest two groups? These two ना. 30 days, 28 days. वो दो slowest group में common factor कौन है? A. Where all A is present, that team will take more time to complete the work. And where all A is not present, ये देखिए C and B वाला ग्रुप में A present नहीं है, वो टीम फास्ट पिज्जा खा रहा है. मतलब A का presence is the reason for the speed to be less, or the least efficient person A होना चाहिए. बाकी options गलत है. So option D is the answer. Most efficient and least efficient. That is the logical way to solve it, and this is why the question is asked like this. Is it clear to all of you? Please respond. You can find individual work like previous question calculating, but that is not the objective, because what बहुत time consuming है यहाँ. Individual work से total group work find करना easy है, but group work से individual work करना time consuming है. Especially here there are 3 people, not 2 people. Okay, clear है ना? ये टाइप का क्वेश्चन बहुत बार नहीं 3-4 बार CSIR एग्जाम में पूछा है। ये क्वेश्चन भी इसका एक डिफरेंट वर्जन है, ये क्वेश्चन भी सेम है। गेट एग्जाम में भी इसका नॉट एक्सैक्ट सेम, अनदर टाइप वाज आस्क्ड. I want to show you all the types, that is why I'm going a little faster. This one, if time allows, I will come back to. This is similar to what I just taught you now, that most efficient least efficient idea use करिए, बहुत ही सिंपल है, बहुत ही सिंपल है इसमें भी. ओके, विल डू वन ऑफ दिस एग्जांपल फास्ट. 2022 में ये पूछा था CSIR एग्जाम में. ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ टाइम, आई थिंक द वीडियो इज स्टक. No, okay. Due to lack of time, we'll read it together. It takes 2 hours for Tanu and Dio to do a job. Tanu and Hari takes 3 hours to do the same job. Dio and Hari take 6 hours to do the same job. Now, here, look at the options. Options are all of the options are not telling about efficiency alone, but some options are telling about efficiency also. Now, so let us discuss this anyway. Just a minute. Okay, coming back to, so here most efficient group कौन सा है? Most efficient group तनु एंड डियो का ग्रुप है ना, 2 आवर्स में पूरा काम कर रहा है. तनु एंड हरी का ग्रुप 3 आवर में कर रहा है, सो सेकंड मोस्ट एफिशिएंट ग्रुप. हरी एंड डियो का ग्रुप 6 आवर्स में पूरा काम कर रहा है, लीस्ट एफिशिएंट ग्रुप है. मतलब हरी दोनों में कॉमन है, जस्ट लाइक प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. द लीस्ट एफिशिएंट 2 ग्रुप्स में हरी कॉमन फैक्टर है, एंड हरी पर्सन नहीं है या फास्टेस्ट ग्रुप में, मतलब हरी इज द लीस्ट एफिशिएंट पर्सन ना. क्वेश्चन केयरफुली रीड करिए, इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट पूछा है. So Hari is the fastest worker means most efficient person. No, Hari is the least efficient person. So clearly option D is the answer. Other options you don't have to check even, because when you see Hari is the fastest worker itself you can understand ये तो incorrect है. Incorrect पूछा है, इसलिए option D answer है, इसलिए option D answer है. Due to lack of time, other options you can try yourself. ये same question 2022 में भी पूछा था, 2017 में भी पूछा है. हाँ, only one change, तनु को रिप्लेस करके तिवारी बना दिया, या तिवारी को रिप्लेस करके तनु बनाया, क्योंकि 2017 में फर्स्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पूछा, 2022 में तिवारी को रिप्लेस करके तनु आया. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? बाकी सब, या हरी ऑल्सो हियर इट वाज, या हरी तो सेम है, बाकी सब सेम है, ओनली तिवारी केम एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, क्लियर ना? Now another type of question, this is a common question in GATE and CSIR-NET, so try this. Super fast, read it fast, we'll discuss it together, we need to complete fast. Priyanka, doubt hai pichle question mein? Priyanka, it is same as, did you understand this solution? Yes, solution clear hai na? Yes, solution clear hai, A and B. वहां पे ग्रुप के अकॉर्डिंग बताया ना, सेम आइडिया है यहां भी. I will explain it once more, listen carefully. तनु एंड डियो 2 आवर में काम करेगा, तनु एंड हरी 3 आवर में पूरा काम करेगा. ईटिंग द पिज्जा इज द वर्क, थिंक अबाउट इट. एंड डियो एंड हरी 6 आवर्स में करेगा. मतलब दिस ग्रुप इज द लीस्ट एफिशिएंट ग्रुप और स्लोवेस्ट ग्रुप. वो उसमें कौन कौन प्रेजेंट है? हरी एंड डियो. इसमें हरी का वजह से या डियो का वजह से स्लो हो रहा है वो हमें पता नहीं है, लेकिन वो पता करने के लिए ये डेटा काफी है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ सेकंड स्लोवेस्ट ग्रुप. ये स्लोवेस्ट ग्रुप है, ये सेकंड स्लोवेस्ट ग्रुप है. इसमें भी हरी प्रेजेंट है. वेयर ऑल हरी इज प्रेजेंट, दैट ग्रुप इज स्लोवर. वो प्रूफ करने के लिए ये डेटा भी यूज करिए. इसमें हरी प्रेजेंट नहीं है, हरी प्रेजेंट नहीं है तो गुड थिंग, दैट ग्रुप इज फिनिशिंग द वर्क फास्टर. मतलब हरी इज द लीस्ट फास्टेस्ट और लीस्ट फास्ट वर्क और फास्ट वर्कर, दैट मीन्स ही इज द स्लोवेस्ट वर्कर ना. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. सो हरी इज द फास्टेस्ट वर्कर तो इनकरेक्ट है ना, क्योंकि हरी इज द स्लोवेस्ट वर्कर. सो ऑप्शन डी आंसर है. प्रियंका अभी क्लियर है? प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड. Process was the same as the previous question. If so, then try this question. 2018 GATE exam question, same question got repeated in CSIR also. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. This is a fun question actually. 7 machines take 7 minutes to make 7 toys. So 7, 7, 7. So at same rate, how many minutes would it take for 100 machines to make 100 toys? So 7, 7, 7 है तो 100, 100, 100 होना चाहिए. Yeah, that can be a thought process some people make, which is a wrong answer. But it makes sense ना. 7 machines, 7 minutes. Sorry, 7 toys के लिए 7 machines 7 minutes लगेगा तो 100 machines 100 toys 100 minutes लगेगा ना? No, because it's a simultaneous work idea. Simultaneous work idea. 7 machines take 7 minutes to make 7 toys means हर मिनट में हर मशीन 7 toys sorry या हर मिनट में हर मशीन 7 toys बना रहा है. 1 second sorry, हर मशीन 1 toy बनाने के लिए 7 minutes लग रहा है. So here you have to understand it like this. Okay, I'll do one thing. इसको थोड़ा और relatable बनाने के लिए ये क्वेश्चन से शुरू करेगा. ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आए तो वो मशीन वाला क्वेश्चन इजी हो जाएगा. ये दोनों सेम क्वेश्चन है actually, but this is more relatable. Here instead of machine and toys, it is cat catching mice like a Tom and Jerry cartoon. So I'll start explaining. If 100 catch cat, 100 mice in 100 minutes. Here also 100, 100, 100 means 7, 7, 7 hona chahiye na? No. Why? Because 100 cat, 100 mice catching, it is not like first all the 100 cat will decide. We will catch the first mice. Then next mice. Then next mice. That is not the idea at all. Na? 100 cat catch 100 mice means cat 1 का ड्यूटी mice 1 को पकड़ना है, cat 2 का ड्यूटी mice 2 को पकड़ना है. सेम वे cat 100 का ड्यूटी mice 100 को पकड़ना है. यह सब साइमल्टेनियसली हो रहा है, उसके लिए 100 मिनट्स लगेगा. मतलब 1 cat 1 mice 1 cat 1 mice पकड़ने के लिए 100 minutes ही लगेगा. But all of them are simultaneously working. That is why the same 100 minutes itself is enough to finish the total work. If you didn't understand this example also, another fun question I will ask you. If 1 egg needs 10 minutes to get boiled, then 7 eggs needs how many minutes to get boiled? Is it 70? No. It should be almost 10 minutes itself. Yeah, if the content are more, sometimes slight variations can be there, but ideally same 10 minutes itself, na? Because simultaneously the eggs are getting boiled. You won't boil one egg, take it out, and another egg, take it out. Yeah, for vegetarians, you can think about boiling a potato. 1 potato needs 10 minutes means 7 potato also needs 10 minutes to get boiled. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So answer 100 minutes होना चाहिए. CSIR-NET exam question था. Same question था ये gate question भी. Yeah, now it is more relatable. 1 machine 1 toy बनाने के लिए वहां पे cat mice को पकड़ रहा है, यहाँ पे machine toy बना रहा है, उसके लिए same 7 minutes लगेगा. Simultaneously all the 7 are working. That is why total time is 7 minutes itself. So 100 machines 100 toys के लिए भी simultaneously each machine को 7 minutes ही लगेगा. So 100 machine 100 toys के लिए भी same 7 minutes लगेगा. Is it clear? Yeah, I believe that this question was copied from that previous CSIR-NET question. That's why I'm saying these two exam preparation, the common topics definitely you can prepare together, but the not common topics many are there na, that you have to separately prepare. So once again reminding new students, our full length course is there. ये गेट एग्जाम क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली 2011 में भी ये सेम टाइप अनदर क्वेश्चन पूछा था. सो नॉट CSIR कॉपी, दीस टू एग्जाम्स have asked similar question. That is a better way to put it. ये 2012 CSIR-NET question, ये 2011 गेट एग्जाम क्वेश्चन, ये 2018 गेट एग्जाम क्वेश्चन, ये सब सेम था. Okay, now I told you work and time chapter is nothing but this work and time chapter का ही extension है. Pipes and cistern chapter, sorry, pipes and cistern chapter. Pipes and cistern में negative work का भी possibility है, but कुछ question में negative work नहीं होगा. Negative work nahi hai to all the concepts which we have discussed, same thing itself, simple thing itself, simple version only will be asked. So for example, this question, try this all of you. Your 4 work is there. So carefully try kariye. So what the questions I have shown you, I have created many variations of that question in this study material. So try them also, download them and try those variation question also, so that you will get more clarity. Try this, all of you, November 2020 net exam problem. I'll give you 1 minute, all of you complete. Any answers? Okay, I'll start explaining. A tap takes 6 hours to fill a water tank. Here the work is defined that filling the water tank is the work they are doing. Second tap takes 5 hours to complete the work. That means filling the same water tank. Instead of eating pizza, it is filling the water tank. That's the only difference. Third pipe को 4 hours लगेगा same work करने के लिए. Fourth pipe को 3 hours लगेगा same work करने के लिए. How long approximately would it take to fill the tank if all taps were used together? All taps were used together means they all are working together. They all are working together, na? So individual efficiency find करिए first of all. LCM method use करिए या take unitary method use करिए. It's up to you. So I will take LCM method itself. 6, 5, 4, 3 का LCM. Total work be LCM of 6543. 6543 का LCM 60 होगा ना, 60 होगा. That you can do whatever way you like it. So 60 होगा LCM. So 60, yeah, as it is filling the water tank, to make it more relatable, think that filling 60 liter है ये water tank का capacity. 60 liter का water tank है, बहुत छोटा water tank है, but 60 liter water tank है, ऐसा सोचो. So 60 liter completely fill करना है, that is the objective. So individually 4 tap है ना, first tap को मैं एक tap बोल रहा है, 6 hours में पूरा 60 liter fill कर सकता है. So 1 hour work, that is how we did ना. 1 hour work of एक कितना होगा, 1/6 of 60 liter या 10/6 will make a 60 na. So 10 per hour, 10 per hour, that is the speed. 10 liter per hour, मतलब ये 60 liter का 1/6 ऐसा fill करेगा. Imagine it like that. So B, second tap, 5 hour में पूरा 60, मतलब 1 hour में 12 liters. C, 4 hour में पूरा 60, so 1 hour में 15 liter. D, 3 hour में पूरा 60, so 1 hour में 20 liter. Now, all of them together, if they work, 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 work they will do. If all of them together, 10 plus 12 plus 1 hour may, all of them together will be doing this much work. That is 57 work. Is this clear? 57 work. Total 60 chocolates at the 57 chocolates they will eat. 1 second. Okay. Now you have to be careful here. 57 chocolates per hour. 57 chocolate per hour. 60 chocolates पूरा खाना है ना. So 1 hour work is 57. अभी ऐसा कितना hours चाहिए? Let x be the number of hours. That should be equal to total work x. So x is equal to 60 by 57. 60 by 57 is cancelling 3. You will get 20 by 19. Yeah, now you have to be careful. What exactly they have asked? How long approximately? ये 20 by 19 1 hour के पास 1 hour से ज्यादा क्लोज है या 1.5 hour से ज्यादा क्लोज है. राउंडिंग ऑफ आइडिया अभी इंपॉर्टेंट है. 20 by 19 1 hour से ज्यादा क्लोज है या 1.5 hour से. If you are good in your speed maths and logical approximation technique, 1 hour is clearly the answer. It is very obvious. But if not, you may have to divide it and see. 20 by 19. 20 by 19 is 19 by 19 plus 1 by 19. 1 by 19 का value find करिए, but what, that is so small. It is less than 0.1. So 1.1 से भी छोटा value है. 1.1 से छोटा value 1.5 से भी ज्यादा 1.1 से ज्यादा close है ना. So 1 hour is the answer. Otherwise, divide it properly with whatever long division या short division या virtual calculator. If you want, you use it. Anyway, that will be closer to 1 hour. समझ में आया ना? Please respond. So this was a pipe and cistern problem, but this is literally same work and time only, na? But pipe and cistern में एक extra point आ सकता है. That is called negative work concept. This is the last concept I'm teaching you today, and by this we will complete it. So पिछला क्वेश्चन completely clear है ना? Then ये क्वेश्चन से ये negative work का आइडिया भी मैं explain करेगा. Just a minute. Okay, I'll explain. An oil tank can be filled by pipe X in 5 hours, pipe Y in 4 hours, each pump working on its own. So that means filling the tank is the work to be done. Oil से fill करना है. So just like pizza example, you can think like 5 hour में पूरा pizza खा सकता है, 4 hour में पूरा pizza खा सकता है. And now there is a drainage hole also. मतलब in pipe and cistern we call it inlet pipe is there. 2 inlet pipes are there, pipe X and pipe Y. लेकिन एक outlet pipe भी है because there is a drainage hole in the bottom. I will call that Z for reference. ये drainage hole का नाम दे रहा है मैं Z. मतलब वो negative work कर रहा है with respect to filling the tank. So here I will represent it. Unitary LCM method ही use कर रहा है. Let total work be LCM of 5, 4 and 20. 20 is also there. 5, 4 and 20 का LCM क्या है? 20. मतलब total 20 chocolates are there. So 1 hour work सोचो. 20 chocolates, just like previous question, I will make it 20 liter is the capacity of the tank. 20 liter is the capacity of the tank. So 1 hour में 5 hour में 20 liter fill कर सकता है, तो 1 hour में 4 liter ना. So pipe X will fill 4 liter. Pipe Y 4 hour में 20 liter, so 1 hour में 5 liter. Pipe Z क्या कर रहा है? 20 hour में 20 liter empty करेगा, drain करेगा means empty करेगा ना. मतलब pipe Z is doing negative work. So 20 hour में 20 liter, so 1 hour में 1 liter कम करेगा ये indicate करने के लिए -1 we are writing. -1 is the work done by them. like with respect to the chocolate eating example we started with, X is eating 4 chocolate per hour. Y is eating 5 chocolate per hour. Z is adding a chocolate to the system, means Z is adding extra work to the system. Now, that way you can relate it there. Yeah, there we are happy to eat extra chocolates. That is why you may not feel it like a negative work. Negative does not mean negative as such. ये क्वेश्चन में भी ये Z का वर्क नेगेटिव क्यों हो रहा है? हमारा वर्क फिल करने का है, हमारा वर्क एम्प्टी करने का है, तो फिल करने वाला वर्क होगा नेगेटिव वर्क. सो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव इज टोटली रिलेटिव. ओके, सो ये तीनों एक साथ काम कर रहा है ना. एक्स वाई जेड ऑल थ्री आर टुगेदर वर्किंग, नॉट एक्स एंड वाई ओनली. एक्स वाई जेड तीनों एक साथ काम कर रहा है. सो 1 आवर में ये तीनों एक साथ कितना काम करेगा? 4 work by X, 5 work by Y, minus 1 work by Z. So 4 plus 5 plus minus 1, 8 work per hour. All of you understood this 8 work, not 9. 9 positive work, but 1 negative work. So 8 work per hour. अभी पिछले क्वेश्चंस जैसा ही करना है. 1 hour में 8 work. So 2 hour में 16 work. टोटल 20 वर्क करना है. सो 3 आवर में 24. सो 2 and 4 के 3 के इन बिटवीन 2.5. अदरवाइज मैथमेटिकली स्पीकिंग, लेट x बी द रिक्वायर्ड अननोन, लेट x बी द नंबर ऑफ आवर्स नीडेड. हर आवर में 8 वर्क. सो x आवर में 8x वर्क, दैट शुड बी इक्वल टू टोटल 20 वर्क. सो 8x इक्वल टू 20, x इक्वल टू 20 by 8. 20 by 8 डिवाइड किया तो 2.5, ऑप्शन सी मिलेगा. इज इट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? How option C is the answer. So that is how a typical negative work situation should be done. So that is work and time chapter and pipeline system concept also. So and gate exam mein or bhi types of question are there from pipeline system also. So in GATE course, we'll be discussing that in detail. So all of you are welcome. If you are preparing for GATE alone, join our crash course for GATE General Aptitude. Check the description of this YouTube video. And if you are preparing for CSIR-NET, for CSIR-NET also, the complete crash course is there, where all topics are covered. Normally, crash courses select a few topics only, but we are giving full complete topics itself. But you have to watch daily one live lecture, one recorded lecture, so that in 50 days time period, you can complete this GATE course. And CSIR-NET course, it needs 60-day time period. So that means in 2 months, you can prepare for both these exams. Or if you're preparing only for one of the exam, join for that course alone. Both the courses together, you can access in less than 2,000 rupees. Along with live class, recorded video, study material, mock test solution, everything together, you can get at this early bird price. So make use of this special offer price. Only for the first few admissions, we are giving this offer price. And let your friends also know about this course. And especially those of you are watching this video in YouTube, please share it to more people. If more views are coming for this video, we will plan for more such free resources through this platform, also through this YouTube channel also. Please share this video to maximum people. So, and hope all of you like this session. And complete course students, if there is any doubts, please ask now. आज का topic clear था ना? So these two are separate two crash courses. Let me clarify. CSIR का crash course, GATE का crash course, दोनों separate crash courses है. दोनों separate time में भी live classes होता है. CSIR का course 10 o'clock morning, GATE course 8 PM evening. In case you cannot attend live, no problem. उसका recording already available है. You can access the recording of each class in 1 hour after the lecture itself. The recording will be available. Okay, if there is no other doubts, let's conclude. Those of you are watching this video on YouTube, do hit the like button, do comment on this video what you felt about the video, and do share it to maximum people. If you like and comment on this video, YouTube will recommend this to more people also. So support this initiatives in this YouTube channel also. Many other free videos also we have provided through this channel. That also you can check out. But the crash course is the most systematic course, so that come time में ही आप पूरा syllabus and जनरल एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन से गेट में 15 out of 100 मार्क्स, CSIR में 30 out of 200 मार्क्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मार्क्स. सो that is 15% of your total marks, लेकिन that is more, that's a good percentage of your total cutoff. GATE exam में aptitude section का mark ही almost 1/3 to half of the cutoff cover करेगा according to the category you are, according to the subject you are preparing for. CSIR exam में total cutoff का almost 1/3 there also, because if 80 is the total cutoff or 90 is the total cutoff for lectureship category, that is 1/3 now 30 marks. So वो 1/3 mark बहुत ही important है. And also वो the good thing about aptitude section is वो aptitude section से कुछ mark मिला तो that will, like if you are in the borderline, just one question may be enough to jump to the next, jump to that clearing net exam or GATE exam. And maybe by adding 5 extra questions from CSIR in CSIR exam, you can convert your lectureship to JRF, because just 10 marks is just 5 questions. As you know, lectureship and JRF ka cutoff sirf 10 marks ka difference hai. So it's a rank booster section also. And in the case of GATE exam also, in GATE exam, the rank is very important. Na? Not only clearing the cutoff, getting good rank will ensure that you can get into better institutes also. Or if you are preparing for any job, for job also, higher rank can give you higher chances. So in that case also, adding few more questions. If you are already able to do 3 questions, if you can add 5 more questions from general aptitude, that can be a game changer actually. So please understand the importance of general aptitude section. जनरल एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन के बारे में भी और भी लेक्चर्स ये यूट्यूब चैनल में भी दिया है. Go through that, those of you are watching this YouTube video. So my complete course students, no other doubts means let's conclude for today. So once again, reminding new students, join our complete course, the live class for according to the schedule, the live class for CSIR-NET starts from Monday onwards. Probability and arrangement से ये सारा टॉपिक्स लाइव होगा, ये लेक्चर्स रिकॉर्डिंग्स होगा. सो ये रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है. सो इफ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग द कोर्स, यू कैन स्टार्ट वाचिंग इट फ्रॉम नाउ इटसेल्फ. गेट में भी these are the topics. Spatial aptitude, this we have given us a demo lecture. So वो demo lecture भी ये YouTube channel में अवेलेबल है. Otherwise download our mobile app, there also you can see it. So from from next class we'll be starting these topics, and parallelly you can watch this recorded videos also every day, one recorded, one live. ऐसा follow किया तो easily you can complete the syllabus in the next 50 days. So that's it. Let's conclude for today. Please share this video to more people. Complete course students also, do let others know about our new crash courses that we have launched. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you all on the next class.